And population growing. Back to Africa.
Jamaica. Stop. Pause. Anyways. Oh, can you share like apartment also.
Oh, really? Yeah. You get the contact, you can send me the link. Other people coming in. Yeah, let me get the number.
Just the business only, but I think you can actually call her.
You can't stop. Yeah, man.
Let's show you one of the apartments.
Yeah, when you come back,
Yeah.
you just show me your one and then you show me one of them off.
Yeah. My one really tight, they can just jump out. Get fresh move.
Yeah.
Because you tell us you're coming, so.
Yeah.
Fix up, just jump out.
Yeah.
We can share the others also.
Yeah. For people to come and see, but you know, yeah.
Small, though, I'm not
Small.
That's something I want to show you, but it's small. This is one night.
One.
But there's other places you can go.
Yeah.
3,000.
3,000. Yeah.
Bigger spaces.
Yeah. For real. Yeah.
TV, bigger room.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So this is Jam Tours Africa. Some peace, some love. Actually, I'm on the Kiliman on the side. My Jamaican brother stay over here. We're actually gonna test out some Ethiopian food right now. Yeah, right away. Yeah. Oh, I like the aroma and the smell.
Hello, that's my friend Basika.
Okay, Basika. One love.
New friend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One love from Jamaica.
Alex Jamaican here. Yeah. So I have some breakfast.
Okay.
If I can eat something to eat now. Okay. So now I seat.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So we're gonna check out some Ethiopian food here in Kenya.
It was here, it was around there.
See the back look like. There's a lot of the front, a lot of, you know what I mean.
Don't take my hand, my wife.
Okay. Inside, yeah, sir. I can sit out there so now, kind of like the inside thing. I want to get
outside?
Yeah.
Okay, that's outside.
So it's kind of dark. Claustrophobic.
You want to sit here, sir?
With some of the cool breeze. Yeah. Yeah, family. So we're there. I get some Ethiopian food right now. Yeah. So you said the coffee good?
Coffee also.
No, I don't want a coffee. But I want to try another tea. Them have a different type of tea.
That's coffee alone on the service.
Okay. What kind of tea you have?
What type of tea? Like, otherwise from coffee, what else do you have? Black tea and Kenyan tea.
Ah. Alright.
Beautiful, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Alright, so I would take a cup of coffee.
Yeah, let me have a cup of Kenyan tea with ginger in it. Tangawizi.
Tangawizi for him and coffee for me. Me?
Kenyan tea, yeah?
Yeah.
With ginger. It's a Kenyan tea with ginger in it.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So we're there. We check out some Ethiopian food. Gonna have some tea first. While we get some tea. So you never tried the food yet?
No, I'm gonna try it now.
Maybe I'll try this one, the veggie mix. Vegetable dish. Yeah, dish.
Can I try that?
Yeah, I'll try that one.
Actually, let me try the bongo or something like so. You can eat this.
Yeah, family, so I'm gonna try the veggie mix and see how that goes.
Yeah, let me just eat some veggie food.
Yeah. So the tea come, the tea forward. And this is how you get the coffee.
Yeah.
This coffee come from where? Where the coffee come from?
Ethiopia.
Let me try some, cause
My coffee?
yeah, let me try.
Coffee, you know.
Normally,
Cancel next one.
I don't really drink coffee still, but I really want to try it.
Okay then.
I tell her to cancel the other one. Let me try this
Tell her
one.
to cancel the other one and make 2 coffee. Because she's making black tea, so tell her to cancel black tea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me try the coffee because you know what I mean.
See the menu here? See the out there? Ethiopian menu book?
Yeah. All African, all Pan-African.
Straight up.
So the boy them cancel the Pan-African meeting in Ghana.
Yeah.
So you see it?
Madness. You see it, man. Hear what you mean. Hear
So
what.
these people are wicked people, them man.
They don't.
They don't want Africans strive. Yeah, family, some tea coming. Ethiopian tea.
Tea coffee?
Tea coffee, yeah.
Black.
Coffee,
Oh,
yeah.
coffee.
Yeah, coffee, yeah. This one.
Yeah. Actually.
Wow. Nice.
It's nice coffee.
Thank you. Yeah, family. So let's do this. Let's do this, family. Let's do this. Nice Ethiopian coffee. Normally, I don't do coffee, but I'm gonna try it this time. So we are bringing the war. Jada or Steph London.
You know what? Be involved in that, you know.
Let me know what involved.
Steph London and lead.
Yeah, if she a lead, she me a carry still. She me a carry.
Jada about the artist, I like Jada, you know, my girl, but Steph London. And
Yeah.
the G to Steph
Yeah.
London shall lead.
I like how she have the flow and she can mix it up and she can turn it on and the bad woman vibes
Steph
and
like
things.
At first, when Jada go provoke her
Yeah,
and they kick it off,
yeah,
Jada kind of had the advantage because you know Jada the people them favorite.
yeah.
And people love Steph London too because what she do for the culture.
Yeah,
She do
yeah.
for Jamaica and the music, you understand?
Yeah.
But now, they gonna wake up Steph London. Who tell Jada for watch out Steph London? Steph
Yeah.
London and mush up the place. Yo, she right now Steph London have the wickedest lyrics.
The last one was
For
she
the
drop.
female, the last one.
Blood
For
clot.
the female in the dance hall, now all war song and Steph London have the wickedest lyrics.
Yeah, man, she actually turn on the can.
Yo,
She turn on the
Jada
can.
for answer Steph London, Jada for come good, so Jada have just relax now.
Yeah, and just end the clash. I know that, you know what I mean.
Yeah, you can't. How can you answer that? What are you going to say?
What are you gonna say? Yeah.
You can't answer that one.
So this is how you put the sugar in it and thing.
Yeah. Well, you miss it over here.
Yeah. But she full it up still.
So you always go.
And you just take it and drink it like that.
Yeah.
Alright, family, I'm enjoying some Ethiopian. So where they put the smoke and stuff I know?
I was at Ethiopian thing.
It's like
aroma.
a aroma.
Yeah.
And I guess maybe this is like sage family.
Something like that, yes.
Burn
that's
away
it.
the you know what I mean?
Essence.
Yeah, burn away all the crosses and all of these things. Give you a good
Bring
vibes,
peace.
bring peace and
Yeah.
love and prosperity.
Yes, that's
and
it.
most important, money.
That's the one that we need.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. We normally get popcorn with it too, so.
Okay.
When they serve coffee.
Eh.
They give you like a tray of popcorn so you can snack on.
Okay.
for it.
Yeah, and a spot like this, if you could get a spot like this and have the Jamaican flavor vibes. Trust me, the one culture, everybody
Good.
culture, there's one place.
Everyone is
Yeah.
kind of one little direction.
So then not a place on this side there, no more place I rent.
No, or just some studio part, like some bedroom, night the rental.
Eh.
You understand? You can get
But no shops.
no shops. Shop with there, good people Jamaican spot around here. Yes, the thing is the Ethiopian culture and the Jamaican culture are one.
Yeah, one,
You
yeah.
understand? That- but
Rastafari,
like,
yeah.
when you go in
It's the
Jamaica-
same color, the flag and everything, the
Everything.
color and everything.
You know, Selassie, you count it was King Selassie. And Selassie, you talk
Yeah,
about
yeah,
Jamaica,
yeah.
you talk about Ethiopia, so we merge.
You merge, yeah.
Ethiopian respect Jamaicans more than
and-
anybody listening in the world.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
Jamaicans
Respect.
Ethiopians
Yeah,
more
yeah.
than any
Anyway,
other
yeah.
African country.
Yeah.
Jamaican respect Ghanaians. They respect Ethiopians.
Yeah.
They respect Kenyans.
Kenyan, yeah.
And they respect a lot of other
African
African
country,
like
yeah.
those three
But those three
are the favorite.
are the favorite, for real.
Yeah,
Yeah, really.
those three.
That's
Anyway,
it.
Africa, you go.
So which one you could add to it? Let's say could add something to. Let me see if I can get that one.
Next
there.
African country.
Which one you could
Jamaicans
add?
love?
Yeah.
Jamaicans love people from like Uganda.
Yeah.
Love Zimbabwe.
Yeah, Zimbabwe. You take it out of what? Zimbabwe, when I tell you first. Zimbabwe, man. Zimbabwe. Yeah, man. Yeah, Zimbabwe are the place, man.
These
So
African countries are like a real Jamaican.
a real Jamaican vibe. Yeah,
Jamaica was
yeah.
in Africa. Africa would be unstoppable.
Unstoppable because
no other country can run it on Africa.
Yeah.
Because they can't run it on Jamaica so easy. I just know it kind of away because of the government and the leaders.
And that's the thing. If we could have a collaboration with like Africa and Jamaica, like the African Union, they come together and say, yo, Jamaica is a part of us.
Yeah.
Just like you have the US who have G7 and them have some other country. That's how Africa's supposed to do it.
Come together.
Yeah, that's how them to do it.
Yeah. If Jamaica was like an hour away from Africa,
yeah.
would that be solid?
That'd be solid because trust me,
because them solid already and they're so far.
And they're so far,
Did you know that Jamaica is the 6th region of Africa? 6th region of Africa, and they're that far.
And they're that far,
Jamaica was in Africa.
In Africa, yeah.
These countries couldn't come into
They
Africa
couldn't come in.
Do what they want to
do.
do.
What they want to, yeah.
Like
I would have run them out.
Jamaica defend Africa.
Would have chased those crazy ballad out of town.
Jamaica defend
Africa, even in the colonization time, it was the most of the liars them was Jamaican liars with fight against Jomo Kenyatta and Kwame Nkrumah, all of these people. We help them.
When they captured the African people, our brothers and sisters, mothers and fathers, and shipped them to Jamaica, they thought that they were doing the right thing to break them. But they didn't know that they're capturing the strong person and send it to Jamaica. Link the strong team in Jamaica. Says you capture the strong-minded people here, ship them over there. Tell them to the strong-minded people there. You know, Jamaican people are rebellious. When they go link together,
blood
clot, a union. Yes, a rebellious union. So they are rebel against anybody. So Jamaica, the first country will start that. And other African country nearby, like
Haiti.
Yes, Caribbean country nearby. People run we go this stuff, so we do it. Let's do it the Jamaicans. You understand? So we set the example.
Man.
Set a pace and a trend. And that is how we could be free today.
And that's the reason why we honestly believe that all of these African countries that Jamaica help out and the Liars and Queen's Council help them to fight colonization and gain independence. These people should have a treaty with Jamaicans. All Jamaicans are free to come back. Once you come and you just get a citizenship and you just do your thing.
Because
these people.
We wasn't fighting for ourselves.
We don't fight for ourselves. We fight the entire black race.
We fight for all the black nation.
All African nation.
No matter which African country you come from. With Tanzania, Mozambique, anywhere. We fight
and the fight is to come through all the music, that come through everything. Marcus Garvey.
Listen to the music. Marcus Garvey fight for all black nation. Marcus Garvey didn't fight for just Jamaica.
He never fight for just Jamaica. Bob Marley,
all black nation, all African country. Even in Asia, the black people in Asia and these places, he wasn't just fighting for Jamaica. He was from Jamaica, but he was fighting for all black nation. You understand? A lot of, even now, the artists them know. Chronix, the Protege. No other artists, Jamaican artists,
Jabooks, Kalan, Bola.
They fight for.
Man, a lot.
They're Jamaicans.
They're Jamaicans.
They fight for
Africa.
You understand? Because they know that.
Africa is the root. It's the root. Man, family. So we're there. We just have Bila vibes and let you guys know something we wish can happen, and the world should change in a way that, you know what I mean? Africa can be a better
Ethiopia.
place.
So right now we're at the Ethiopian restaurant. I link with the own brothers them. And in the meantime, the food are prepared. Maybe we should walk and check some other version down the road.
You need to tell them what we want, and so when we come back, you're ready. Not true.
All right.
We never tell them. We just get the tea. We just get the tea.
You the food already, bro.
So you're not other yours yet either.
No, we are this is what I take. Do around.
I want the veggie thing. Alright, family, let's order the food and let's wait and let's go. Family, so I just want to make this start and comment, and you know, based on the people that link me up and want to meet up with me and stuff, I just want to make you guys know that, you know, when you come to an African country and you don't have people who come from the same country like you, or as an African American, you don't have people who come from the North America, like Jamaican, Caribbean people and African Americans. It's just one. Because we share the same culture, we watch the same thing, we know about the same current affair and stuff. So, you know, when you come to a place like Kenya now, you just there by yourself. Trust me, you get depressed, you get lonely. So I tell my brother, say, yo, you know, when you come here and you actually can be around like somebody who come from Jamaica, you know what I mean? You feel so good and you can relate and you can chat till the entire day.
Yep.
Yeah, man. So,
the diaspora community is here. The Jamaican community is here building.
Yeah.
So, it's good when you come here, you link up with people like from home.
Yeah, from home. Yeah.
As what these guys said, as what Jam Tour said, when you're here by yourself, you feel like lonely.
You feel like lonely, if you can want to go back home, my youth.
Yeah, you feel like, so, no man, and the vibes, man, and my places, want to go back home.
Yeah.
The moment you link with people here and make friends, you feel comfortable. You feel like this is a new home. Because really, like, Kenya is a new Jamaica.
Yeah.
Because where Jamaica should be, Kenya is right now.
It's right now, yeah.
So, when you're there, you can link with anyone that's from yard. Or you can link with anyone that's from America side, or London, you know. Caribbean.
Jamaican, London, American, Jamaican.
And the Caribbean.
We're
all one.
Yeah, one,
And then linking up with us, we show you more places, more people. You link with one guy, you link with the other guy.
Yes, and networking, man. So that's what the thing said.
Yeah, and that is where you make business.
Yeah, that's where you make business. Because I tell you, once I link with Lyde put me on to Kia. And a lot of people start to come in your network and stuff.
Yes, they may say, so you think so you link with people and they can share the ins and outs and link with people who is already here, who understand about the procedure, business-wise and anything. School-wise, we have kids who want to go to school, what the school structure is like here, the transcript and stuff like that. They can help you out. You don't have to feel alone. Eventually you'll make more friends and make your own friends. You come here, you want to link up or you want to find something or anything, you just link up, man.
Yeah, man.
My YouTube channel is coming up also.
Yeah, man. You need to have it up, man. You need to have it up.
This week my YouTube channel will be up.
Reggae
Flavors TV.
Reggae Flavors TV, yeah, man.
So man. Will be there. And Jam Tour is here also. So anything you want, you can reach out.
Yeah, family. So I just want to share that my experience is different because my plan was for me to come here, have a wife and build a family. So for me not really feel that way because I have my youth, I have my wife. So, you know what I mean, for me it's normal. So me never really actually feel that loneliness. But for some people we have them kids and, you know what I mean, already build them life already, like, you know what I mean. But me just have build my life. So me not gonna have that loneliness because me have my family and stuff around me. But for you, where you come by yourself, say you want to come back to Africa, you need the community. You need to have people around you to actually, you know what I mean, give you that sense of like, that sense of family and stuff. And that's what Jam Tours is trying to do. I have a Jamaican sister. She normally cook good food. And you know what I mean, you can invite you over, you can, get some Jamaica taste the food and stuff. We have the Jamaican restaurant. We have a lot of places.
Yeah,
Reggae flavors coming up.
Yeah,
so, we're building that thing, and every week we can meet up and link up and, do business together and just go and build a community and build a system. So when somebody come newly from outside, they can actually just plug into the system and plug into the network and you feel like you're at home, your family. So, yeah man, we're there with the food. When you come, we are going to show you. Big no blood clot. Yeah family, so this is the food. And this is what we are going to chop up right now. I need some pepper though. Give me some pepper.
Pepper, right?
Yeah. What them call it? Barry?
I don't. By beer.
So beer.
I don't remember.
Yeah, family. So we're going to chop up this.
Yeah, no, I tried the first time. This one. In Tanzania. Tanzania have Ethiopian food. Something like this, but injera was the white one, not the brown one.
Okay.
And it have like different like beans, different. It more look nicer than this. So this is the first time I'm going to try it here at this spot.
Okay.
This one is totally different. So
let's see
what it's like in Kenya.
Alright family, let's go. Let's enjoy. Ja, we thank you for this meal. Go on and come wait for you.
Yeah.
You know me done this before you come, Yeah, family. So we're there. And we're going to enjoy this Ethiopian food for the first time in Kenya. One love, my brother.
One love.
Yeah, man. Yeah, family. So let's do this. Yeah, man. Oh, this is the pepper. Yeah, man. Cayenne pepper. Trade per my side. You know want a pepper, right?
Yeah, what are you talking about?
Glad. In Jamaica, you eat all one pepper when you eat the food,
Yeah, man.
All one pepper. Yeah, family. So I think this is maybe it's beets or something.
What is this? purified water. Like spring water though. Mineral water is okay. Okay. Yes, okay. You want?
Yeah, man. Yeah, I want. Yeah, give me one too.
Open.
What it tastes so far? Can't go on.
Interesting taste. Okay.
Yeah. I know it's barra, it's big but it's light. Just melt off in your mouth.
Yeah.
Just see there's a lot of food, but it's not a lot of food.
Normally it's supposed to be like they give you some
double, it's
loads.
supposed to
Yeah. Different from this.
Yeah. Your family, but I'm really enjoying this right now. You know what I mean? All these different things. Yeah, family. This is Jam Tours Africa. Really enjoying this right now. Like, share, and comment. You know what I mean? And as Reggae Flavors TV drop, go over there, go subscribe.
Sure
you know, 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours.
Yeah, this is support.
The same thing Jam Tours I do. The same thing my brother I do. I'm going to show you the better side of Africa. I'm going to show you how you can live normal and filtered. You know what I mean?
This one?
Yeah, man, this is beets.
2 beets?
Yeah, beets, beetroot.
Oh.
So when Babylon I show you on the Tell Light TV, say, yo, don't come Africa, I lie them I tell. Forward in.
Do you have any more of this? Yes.
Yeah, man. So this is Jam Tours Africa via Reggae Flavors.
Reggae Flavors, they eat some Ethiopian food.
Yeah.
Breakfast and lunch.
All veggie. We
All
out.
veggie. No meat, no meow, no moo.
When you eat nothing, when shit screw and have head.
Me eat meat too, don't get me wrong. Nah, you know, Reggae Flavors have to sell meat to the people. People choice, but
Yeah, man,
today we not eat no meat.
Yeah, no
1 week
meat there.
straight, no meat.
No meat there.
No meat there. Or no meat week.
Yeah, man, we out. One love. God bless.